In this tutorial, we will do a demonstration of the Precision Health Data Analytics documentation website. We have a designated data librarian that has created documentation of the resources we have made available, as well as data dictionaries and user guides. Information on the documentation site is updated as needed. The documentation website can be found on the Precision Health website, precisionhealth.umich.edu. If you go to Tools and Resources under Analytics Platform, you will find the documentation site right at the top. If you click that, you should be able to log in with your Level 1 password. This is a SharePoint site, and in this website, you're able to find user guides, data dictionaries, clinical glossary, as well as survey instruments. Under User Guides, you can see how to log into the Analytics Platform environments, have data on the Cancer Registry, all of the cohort discovery tools through DataDirect when it comes to outpatient medications, diagnosis, procedures, as well as encounters. Here you can also find COVID-19 resources, as well as user guide on the de-identified research data warehouse, the Michigan Genomics Initiative, and all of the genetic data that is available, as well as the medication through SureScript data, how to configure a box, and the socioeconomic data. If we go back, here we have the data dictionaries. The data dictionaries have descriptions of all the data elements that are found in certain tables on the self-serve tool. So for example, the demographics info, here we have the view name, the description of the demographics info, as well as all the variables that are available and what they mean. We also have a clinical glossary. So these are all of the terms that we have had investigators ask us what they mean. If you have any other terms that you want to be defined, please let us know at phdatahelp@umich.edu. We also have survey instruments. So these are the different surveys that we have available. Right now we have the COVID-19 survey. We have column descriptions as well as the actual survey questions that were administered to the participants and a user guide. For questions or data access assistance, please email the Research Scientific Facilitators at phdatahelp@umich.edu.